Kalpa was founded by my father by name Subarna. He was the heart and soul for to drive us this organization to the next level. And later, his two sons, myself, Swamiji alias Sureshan, who's the director of operations, and Ramesha Subarna, who's the managing director. And with us, we have got our heart and soul. One Mr. Somsekhar, who's the CEO of the company, who's at par with us, who's heading this organization for more than a decade, whose whole bread and butter is Kalpa, and he has never turned back since he entered Kalpa. And coming to our products, almost we are there throughout the world, and today our expansions are going at a very fast rate, and our tagline is the quality and the dedicated staffs that we have given here, who are at par with the CEO. And there are many such incidences where we can say that our quality speaks everywhere, almost in public sectors, the private sectors, the ESCOMs, the electricity boards. And to narrate a few incidents where we have been giving to in the Rolls Royce since our transformers are functioning since 38 years. That adds a feather to our cap also. And all of us, like coming to me, the managing director and the CEO, it's like equilateral triangle. So we balance the industry in a very good way. And today, the success lies with all the dedicated staffs. And it's my pride and privilege to share this on this occasion, without which we would have grown to this level. Today, we're stepping to the 42nd year, and hopefully, I think the 50th year will still have many more products add to our the products. I have to be concluding. I have nothing to say much about the industry, as you are all aware. The strength of the staffs and the quality, of course, that goes without saying. And 24/7, the delivery that we give is always appreciated by our customers.
Kalpa Electrical Private Limited is the only source, number one source for your transformers and for your needs. We are dedicated to giving you the very best of instrument transformer, control transformers, power transformers and distribution transformers, line chokes, with a focus on quality, cost, delivery and service. Our perseverance towards quality and business ethics has earned as a trustworthy position in market. Thanks to your professional approach, we have been able to maintain long-term relationship with our esteemed clients, most by ethical way of transacting superior quality product with quicker deliveries, forward end and backward integration for better customer experience, end-to-end solutions. Most of our products are certified by CPRA, and we educate customers to create the most tailor-made solutions.
Kalpa. Myself, Somsekhar. I am CEO of the company. I am working in this company more than 2 decades with our guidance of our Director, Finance and Operations, Mr. Swamiji, and our MD, Mr. Ramesha. We are Kalpa Electrical. We are manufacturers of instrument transformers, control, power, distribution transformers, reactors and custom built transformers. So we are serving this product almost 4 decades, domestic, international, as per standards IS, BS, ANSI, as per the global standards. Our company is working more than 500 people, and almost 50% of the people working more than 2 to 3 decades. We are serving product quality, on-time delivery. So we are supplying customer to product as per their requirements and needs. So we are manufacturing world-class instrument transformers, and we have proved and we have supplied to product all ESCOMs, BHELs, and international like University of Singapore, Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce we have supplied special transformers. Nobody has supplied entire world, and we have proved also. They have appreciated about Kalpa Electrical, and we are manufacturing products as per standards and as per customer requirements, and we are serving the product as per the international